This is how to make toilet cleaner and stain remover. These liquids serve the purpose of removing stains from your toilet bowl or any other place you want to use it, and it washes your toilet and make it sparkling clean. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple way of producing your own toilet cleaner, whether for personal use or commercial use. So enjoy this video.
Let me dissolve my caustic soda. Cup of water.
Set the caustic soda aside. This is hydrochloric acid. It's very corrosive. It's a corrosive acid that is dangerous. You shouldn't allow it to touch your skin, your clothes by any means. And it has a very pungent odor. Like when inhaled, is choking. So please be very careful while using it. So mix. Add water to dilute. Please be careful, okay, while doing this. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you learned something from it. I made sure this video is short and understandable. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to join the family. Share my video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.